All right guys, Nick here with our Karcher K1700 pressure washer. We sell a ton of these, both by themselves and in pressure washer solutions. So we're gonna make a video just unboxing it, showing you everything that you get inside the box. We thought it made sense to do these just so you knew exactly what you were getting when it shows up. Also, so you're able to refer back to it if anything's missing or you're confused or anything like that. Couple of manuals, we'll set those off to the front. This is a little arm you use. So they actually sell these Karchers at like Home Depots and big box stores, so you'll see that they're pretty well packaged, at least compared to some of the other, more professional units that aren't designed to take the abuse of a storefront. So we got some parts and stuff in here. Got the unit itself. Pop this out. There we go. So we have our standard power cord. We have a couple of fittings in here, so it looks like we have two nozzles. This is our soap injection nozzle, and then our 15 degree. We have a GHT fitting, and then it looks like a turbo nozzle as well. Not that you'll probably be using any of these, especially if you got it from us. Pop this off. Our handle. We have our gun right here. Again, if you got a solution, you probably will never use this. That right there. Then we have a couple more things in this box. We have our wheels. We have our hose. I'm not going to go through the full assembly process, but that's what your wheels look like. And that's what the hose looks like. Go ahead and pop it open. Again, you could use this hose. I would highly advise that you do not and pick up one of our hoses. But anyway, that is the Karcher fully unboxed. That's everything that comes with it. It's a pretty simple assembly. It's a pretty simple unit, but it's probably the best entry-level unit on the market. If you have any questions about this pressure washer or any other pressure washers, let us know in the comments or at support@obsessgarage.com.